Okay, so this problem is we're looking for the Hamiltonian paths of the graph. So I've drawn the graph here. A Hamiltonian path is just a path between the vertices where we have a continuous line and it only hits each vertex once. So like for instance, if I said I wanted path A, B, C, E, F, G, D, we would say we start here, go down to B, over to C, down to E, over to F, G, and then D. So that would be an example of a Hamiltonian path. We only touch each vertex once, or each point. And we don't have to go back to the original start position. That's not a Hamiltonian path. That'll be a different thing. But in that case,